श्रीमद्भागवतं नमस्कारं टु श्रीमद्भागवतं निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुकमहर्षि। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्। Suta Maharshi telling all other rishis, Saunaka and other rishis, saying that, O Maharshis, now Sri Krishna Paramatma is departing from Hastinapuram. While he is leaving Hastinapuram, all the people, all kind of arrangements are making, and there are so many instruments they are using to give send off to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Mrudanga, Shankha, Bharyascha, Veena, Panava, Gomukhaha, they are using their Shankhas, Nagara, Dundhuri, Dundubhi, all kind of instruments, Murali, Vadyam, Veena, Gomukha, Bheri, all divine instruments, they are making sounds with them to give send off to Sri Krishna Paramatma. With all of their respect, they are giving send off to Krishna Paramatma. After hearing that Krishna Paramatma is leaving Hastina, all the ladies, Antapurastri, the palace, the ladies from the palace, Prasada Sikhara Rudhaha, they all went to the top terrace of all the palaces, and from there, with all of their love and devotion, they are looking at Sri Krishna Paramatma, and Vavrushuhu, Kusumaihi, Krishnam, they are showering the flowers on Sri Krishna Paramatma. Kanaka Saudha Mulapai, Kaurava Kantalu, Kusuma Varishambu Kori Kuriya. They are showering flowers on Krishna Paramatma. Now Krishna Paramatma is leaving. Arjuna, the one who is Kiriti, the one who is Gudakesa, the one who is the best friend of Sri Krishna Paramatma, such Arjuna is holding Sitatapatram Jagraha Muktadama Vibhushitam. He is holding a beautiful white chatram, umbrella to Sri Krishna Paramatma, to give him so much of good, pleasant relief to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Arjuna is holding the umbrella. And then Uddhava and Satyaki, both of them are doing Chamara Seva, Vejane Paramadbhute, Vikiryamanaha, Kusumai, Reje, Madhupati Pati, having such wonderful services being received by Krishna Paramatma. Now he is leaving Hastinapuram. Entire of that path is filled up with beautiful flowers. On those flowers Krishna Paramatma is leaving. Gaganantara Lambugappi Kahala Bheri Pataha Shankadi Shabda Mulumoraya. While having so many divine sounds coming out, while Krishna Paramatma about to leave, Asishahad Vijeritaha, there comes beautiful sounds, beautiful chantings, beautiful Veda mantra sounds, all the acharyas, brahmanas giving their blessings to Krishna Paramatma. The one who is the Paramapurusha came down as just a human being to the one who is Purushottama, came down as just Manava, to such person, to such Paramapurusha, all the acharyas are offering their protection, their asirvadam to Sri Krishna Paramatma. They are all giving their blessings and listening to their chantings. Krishna Paramatma Bhuvana Mohanundu Pundarikakshundu Punyarasi Hastipuramu Vedale. While listening to those Veda mantras, while receiving their blessings, Sri Krishna Paramatma, the one who can captivate all the worlds, the one who has lotus-like divine wide beautiful eyes, the one who is the embodiment of all the punyam, now is leaving Hastinapuram. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanaastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.